Google search data for YouTube automation has dropped to its lowest point since early 2022. Interest in starting these channels is hitting a multi-year floor, but creator payouts are moving in the opposite direction. This chart tracks video views against creator earnings, highlighting a recent anomaly in the algorithm. For the right type of content, creators are currently earning over $4 for every 1,000 views on a single YouTube short. That specific type of content is the ranking niche. You compile a series of existing viral clips from platforms like TikTok into a single themed countdown video, offering your own opinion on which clip is best. You can build a complete, ready-to-publish ranking video from scratch in 5 to 10 minutes. To do this, you need 5 things: the Google Chrome browser, a free Claude AI account, the vidIQ Chrome extension, TikTok, and a trial account for the video generator Viblo.ai. Connecting these specific AI tools handles the 2 biggest bottlenecks in the process: finding viable content and the final video assembly. Step 1 is setting up your research tools. Install the free vidIQ extension to your browser. When you refresh Claude, the extension will appear directly in the interface. Click to authorize the connection. Next, find a YouTube channel that is already highly successful in the ranking niche. Go to their profile, click Share, and copy their unique channel ID. Return to Claude, open the vidIQ competitor breakdown connector, and paste that channel ID into the prompt. Ask Claude to generate a list of viral video topics based specifically on that competitor's top-performing uploads. Instead of guessing what viewers want to watch, this process extracts mathematically proven concepts from channels that are already winning the algorithm. With a proven topic in hand, open Viblo.ai's video ranking tool and paste your concept into the title generator. Do not leave your title as a single horizontal line, and do not break it into 3. Videos using those formats struggle to hold initial viewer attention. Instead, format your text into exactly 2 lines. Split the phrase right in the middle, so the words stack perfectly on top of each other. Then identify the most important keyword in that title and change its color to a bright contrasting shade, like teal. Viewer retention begins before the actual clip even starts playing. If a viewer's brain doesn't instantly process your title format, they scroll away. Now you need raw material. Take your exact topic and search for it directly on TikTok. You must follow one strict rule for clip selection. Only copy links from videos that already have millions of views. If the original clip failed to go viral, it will not go viral for you. Paste those TikTok links back into Viblo's ranking slots. The system automatically downloads the footage, strips away the original watermark, and prompts you to enter a short identifying title for each clip. Continue adding links until you reach a strict volume constraint. Your final video must contain exactly 5 to 7 clips to optimize total watch time without dragging. If you sequence these clips in a standard countdown, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, viewers easily predict exactly how much video is left and click away early. To fix this, turn on the custom playback order feature to completely randomize the ranking sequence. Once your timeline is scrambled, hit the Generate button and let the AI render the final file. This unpredictable sequencing is a direct retention hack. Randomization removes the predictable countdown, tricking the brain into watching until the very end just to see which clip ranks first. In under 10 minutes, you have a finished video. It is watermark-free, cleanly titled, and sequentially randomized for maximum watch time. Successful channels rely on one factor that the AI cannot provide: daily execution. You must execute this exact workflow and publish 1 to 2 shorts every single day, without skipping a single upload. The AI tools allow you to rapidly assemble the content, but the algorithm only rewards the human creator who maintains a consistent presence on the platform.